Now I'm going to show you how to do the crackle technique. It's kind of a tricky technique. In a way it's simple and in a way it's not. But all you need is the crackle medium. Again, I'm using the wax paper for my palette. If you put a real thin coat of crackle medium on, you'll get a real fine crackle. If you use it thick, you'll get a wider cracks and a larger crackle, which means larger spacing between the cracks. I'm going to attempt to do both for you on this frame. It looks a lot like varnish. It's also water-based, but it's just a special medium. So we'll put a little bit here. I don't want to do it all over the frame. And I'm going to do a little bit down here in this corner. If you do back and forth strokes, kind of like cross-hatching like this, you will get more of a shattered crackle. If you do a technique like this, where it's just one straight line, then you will get a more uniform crackle. So we'll do both to let you see how those look. Now we have to let that dry for a little bit, and then we can come back and put our top coat on.